So I've come to visit Prof-I's legendary redemption ground Rasta settlement, which the School of Vision suggested after seeing how much we loved it there. Currently they are celebrating Groundation Day, which marks the first time His Imperial Majesty Haile Selassie I visited Jamaica in 1966. So we're really looking forward to another session of chanting, drumming and meditation, mixed in with some incredible Ital Vegan food, with all the produce farmed and raised on their own land.
When a Prof-I growing after that.
Yeah, man, that is easy, Amber. We are going for picture. We have a son now. We have a man that
Because it's ready.
Put it, otherwise, you can't speak here, my lord.
Everything about it alive. Yeah. Remember what that blow $5,000 a month.
See it?
I'm gonna feel like them at the world.
Sure.
5,000.
Last guy. Guys, here at the Rastafari camp, Profile just cooked this amazing sip, which is similar to the one we had at the School of Visions. So it's just a massive kind of I-tal soup with everything inside. So you see the amazing colours. It's got everything: red peppers, celery, beans, hard food, you name it, it's got inside. All the springs, herbs. Yeah, it's incredible. And they got these dope calabashes as well. It's like handmade.
My grandson.
This is thinking to us.
Oh, thinking though, yeah.
Them enough for our spy the day. The search by the day, them no. Yeah, but it's Alex. It's Alex. Come on, take up one.
Interesting.
Milk is saliva.
That's him, so the youth them.
It's good.
Very little meat in this one.
No, that's it. Let me go.
I just want to buy it. Please.
sun's about to set, so everyone else is just chilling out with their calabashes and their food before the ceremony starts in a few hours time. And then the ceremony is going to be like drumming, chanting and that stuff. They go hard. So they could probably be going into early morning. So yeah, so right now it's about 3 AM and I just walked up the hill. As you can hear, the local stray dogs are absolutely popping off. Luckily they're all behind gates and fences. But yeah, you can hear them popping up. But also if you listen closely, you can hear the drums all the way in the distance. Go that way into the dark.